Hello and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is a previews Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Firstly, in this video, we'll take you on a 360 walk around the vehicle and then we'll check out your interior controls and technology. Starting off at the front of the car, it does come with a daytime running LED lights ensuring you are seen whatever the weather. As we make our way around to the side of the car now, you will notice the gorgeous 5 twin spoke design 17-inch alloy wheels with the red calipers. So this car does come with the S-Line styling pack, so we do have the S-Line front and rear bumpers. Moving on to your interior, we have got the gorgeous half cloth, half leather seats. And of course, in the back here, we do have the ISOFIX points, ensuring those car seats are fitted securely. So this Audi A1 is petrol, it's automatic, and it's done just over 3,500 miles. On the back bumper, you will notice these circles, well, these are for your rear parking sensors. Moving on to the boot then, as you can see, the boot is pretty spacious. Quite enough room for your suitcases, your golf clubs, or maybe a bit of shopping at the weekend. If that wasn't quite enough room, the nose back seats do fold down, giving you extra space. Now the colour of the car is a gorgeous Cortina White, which personally contrasts really nicely with the black features on the car, including the privacy glass in the back windows of the vehicle. Moving back to your interior now, we have got the front sport seats, which do have the S-Line embossed logo on. And that does complete our 360 walk around the vehicle. Now time to check out your interior controls and technology. Just to the right hand side of the steering wheel, we do have the window and mirror controls. Just above, we do have the light controls just here, which are positioned just to the right hand side of your multi-functional steering wheel. Use the buttons on the left hand side of the wheel. You can personalise the Audi virtual cockpit display, as this has many functions for you to choose from. Over to the right hand side, we've got the volume control, which means you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to alter the volume. And once your mobile phone is connected to the car, use these buttons above to take or reject phone calls. Down to the left, we've got the paddle shift for the cruise control. And in the centre of the car now, we've got a main display, which is a multimedia interface. As you can see, it is all touchscreen. You do various things on this, including selecting the soundtrack to your journey on a DAB digital radio. You can connect up to the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below, we do have the air conditioning system, which is very user friendly. Simply switch on, set your temperature and position, and away you go. Just below, we do have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt plug socket, so you can charge those electronic devices just here. Of course, this vehicle is automatic. And then we finally have the handbrake. So that does complete our tour today around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope to see you soon at Stafford Audi.